And we begin the bulletin with the lasting problem of flooding because following Sunday's downpour, widespread flooding has inundated several areas of Accra, including Tema, Adenta, parts of Medina, Kaswa, of Anko Barrier and Audome Estate in Okankwe South, causing significant disruptions. We'll be touching base with our reporters who are stationed in parts of the city and update you on the situation. We begin with Jude Mensah Duncan, who is currently in Okankwe South Sub-Metro. He's joining us via Zoom. Grateful to you, Jude. Where exactly are you currently and what is the situation there?
Thank you for having me, Charles. I'm currently right here on the stretch in Awudome Estate. This particular road, the main road leads to the cemetery and also to the Obechebi Lamte interchange. Okay. Now I'm at the current spot that showed where the car had to be pushed during the downpour we witnessed not too long ago. It's been raining quite heavily here. It's now subsided, it's drizzling, but during the rains, we saw that the whole place was flooded.
Hello, Jude.
The roads completely unmudged. Hello, Charles.
Yes, I can hear you. Go ahead.
At the point, you could hear residents, shouting, calling for help. Clearly, some homes were also flooded. So it's been quite a chaotic scene. A lot of drivers were stranded. Some had to park their cars for several hours before they were able to get back into their cars to get along with their business. So it's been quite chaotic, but thankfully the rainwater has subsided. The drains are now a little cleared. The filth is still on the road, but hopefully it's cleared by tomorrow morning.
All right, we'll be speaking to NADMO pretty shortly, but have you seen any NADMO officials in the area?
So I've not seen any NADMO official in the area. We are also being told that the Kaneshi market, which is not too far away from this particular location, was also heavily flooded. As of now, we've not gotten any report of NADMO officials or other state agencies, helping to address the situation here in the Okankwe South Sub-Metro.
All right, I'm grateful to you, Jude Duncan. Jude Duncan is my colleague in the Channel 1 newsroom. Let's now take you to Tema, which also experienced some flooding a couple of hours ago.